understand why you are in a mess, why your nation is in a mess. In the Senate today, the 24th of March 2020, while the deliberation was ongoing, and you can see some senators putting on face masks, this senator sitting down here wanted to sneeze. He had already had a face mask. Rather than sneeze within the face mask, which is the reason why he wore the face mask. But look at what he did. You see, that's why your nation is in a mess, because it's being governed by people like him.
Large and loud absence of our colleague. Like the president mentioned in our closed session, we have been able at one time or other to get in touch with her. I have been speaking with her until her illness became quite protracted. May her soul rest in peace. Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, mine has been in the last month quite an unfortunate. We have been able at one time or other to get in touch with her. I have been speaking with her until her illness became quite protracted. May her soul rest in peace. Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, mine has been in the last month